I cannot believe my bathroom looked an absolute mess. Under the counters, I had to put some Ajax and some Clorox spray in that shower. Yes, indeed, but I'm hopping to it. So I cleaned off the counter, cleaned the mirror first, wiped out the sinks really, really good. As you can see, trying to put things back where they belong. Boy, oh boy, if things could really be done in time lapse, that would be fabulous. Now on to trying to clean out this tub. Oh my gosh, this is a jet garden tub, and boy oh boy is it hard to clean, but I did my best and tried to make it happen. Now for my shower, I like to use that electric scrubber with the 3 different changing heads. That really helps, but even after using that, I still have to get in there and use a rag to kind of clean it down even more, so I can't not just depend on that alone. Yes, indeed. So now on to organizing this 2-tier organizing stand that goes up under the sink. It worked out perfectly. I'm glad I purchased it. Now I am finally all done. I just need to wash the rugs and put those back down once they're clean. But yes, indeed, my bathroom is finally clean. I've organized up under the sinks, and it is just a good feeling. Love having a clean home and a clean bathroom. Yes, indeed. If you have any questions about where I got any of the things that you see, feel free to comment below and I will share.